Hey there, Morgan. This is Eric over at Toyota of Melbourne. I wanted to highlight the F-150 you inquired about. This is a vehicle. It's in great shape. It does have the fuel wheels. So these wheels alone are worth a few $1,000s. Vehicle's in phenomenal condition. No major dents or scratches. It's a 17 with low miles. Again, very clean truck. Does have a tonneau cover on the back as well. And it is a 4x4. Interior is nice and clean. It does have all the nice luxury features, all the power features, daytime running lights, touchscreen, so on. Full-size back seat. Give me a call, 321-254-8888, extension 274. Let's see how I can help you get into this good-looking F-150. Thank you and have a great day.